Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. Get into this hairstyle. This is new for me, okay? For my adulthood. I used to wear like different color hairstyles and stuff back in the day, but I've never dyed hair myself. So if you guys are interested in this tutorial, I want you guys to watch the full video and stay tuned. So, see you guys. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I got this hairstyle and how I curled it and everything like that. So, please, remember, I'm not a professional, but please do leave suggestions for hairstylist tips and things like that so, I can avoid some mistakes that I might have made with this hair unit. So please comment below any suggestions and comments. Thank you guys and see you in the video.
Okay, so this is the Instagram hairstyle post that I am inspired by. I wanted it to look just like that, but a little better on my complexion. So this hair is from Alipearl, and they sent some mink lashes and a wig cap and a little bag for the wig. This is what it looks like. This is their body wave texture, and it's a 6x6 lace closure wig, which is kind of a new thing. So I thought it was pretty cool that they actually create those without us having to make them. So this is how it looks in the inside with the combs. And it is pre-plucked already, so I just am going to, I've already actually bleached the knots, so now I'm going to do a little styling just so I can get the hairs in place, so that I can go ahead and start the dye process. And this is just, what is this? The alcohol-free mousse from Tresemme. And it's really good, like it holds the hair in place. So I'm just looking at the hair picture for reference again, and I'm sectioning off the perimeter just to see how it would look. I don't know. I honestly, this was my first time, so I just wanted to make it look exactly like hers. So I kind of just basically made a little sloppy perimeter section and just sectioned it off so that I can bleach it, and then maybe a few highlights in the back, and then at the very bottom do a little ombre effect or something like that. So I'm just picking out and visualizing everything that I want to bleach. So this is what I came out with on both sides, the perimeter, the bottom, and then at the end after I finish bleaching that, then I'll just go ahead and do the little parts in the back. So I'm using the Clairol Kaleido colors. This is a really good product for bleaching hair. It kind of automatically tones down the brassiness of the hair. So I'm using this, and then I'll use I'm actually using the 40 developer. I don't know why I even put the 30 there. You can use 30. I probably should have used 30 because I believe that the lower the number, the it's not as strong as the higher number, so it takes longer to bleach, and I could have had more time to work on each section. But you live and you learn. So I'm just making the little mixture, and I'm gonna start the dyeing process. Okay, so comment below if you can already spot the first mistake that I just made. But I'm just trying to color as close to the roots as possible. I kind of forgot the style that I was doing already. I was just thinking about doing highlights, but then I realized, like, okay girl, you need to cover this whole entire section with hair dye. So I didn't even put as much as I should have in the bowl. So it was just a mess. I had to literally go back, put some more powder in, put some more developer in, like everything. So yeah, comment below how many mistakes I've already made. Okay, so for the back, I decided to just do like little ombre highlights. For some reason, it really just didn't look like it was taking the color at first, but it's just, I don't know how I don't know. It actually took it, but I was just freaking out about it. And so I just kind of did this in a sloppy way, just picking up the big sections and then doing as much as possible, because the first side that I ended up dyeing looked like it was lightening very quickly. So I had to move as quick as possible. And so I'm just putting color wherever I see fit because it's going to be on the bottom, so it's not that important. But I did want it to look cute when I curled it, and then from the front, I wanted the colors to be seen. So I'm just going in a sloppy little way so that there won't be a harsh line there, because that is very ugly. So as you can see, the color is already coming through pretty quickly, and I didn't even really get time to get the back done. It was lifting a little bit, so, and I didn't want to over process the front by this being my first time, so this is just what the up close looks like. Sorry if it's a little blurry right there, but yeah, it starts to get crusty. So this is what we're working with. I actually ended up using the shampoo from, I can't remember the name of it, but I think Shimmer Lights. And you can see at the top part by my scalp, it's almost like really, really brassy, so it was like a little bit more blonde. So I tried to tone it down some. So I don't know, I think it works for my complexion. You can see how good this lace looks though against my skin. It looks perfect because I applied some concealer. So now I'm just gonna try to get the baby hairs and make it look natural along my edge line because it's so low. And I have to have some baby hairs to make it look natural. So after I did that, I decided to straighten it, and it is really thick. This hair is very thick. If you like your hair thick, it didn't get like bone straight, so I was kind of, you know, iffy about that, but it didn't matter because I'm gonna be wearing this hair curly anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure it looked natural as possible at the hairline, which they did a good job by having it pre-plucked. And so I'm just going to curl it just to kind of see how the color ends up laying down and turning out. And so after I curled it, I did not like how it looked curled because sometimes when your hair is really long, it doesn't curl right. So I'm just going to, quickly layer it in a sloppy way because I don't care. It's not going to be straightened. So this is kind of my lazy way of layering my hair so that I can get the really big voluminous curls. Okay, so after I did my little curls, I saw that it definitely looks like the picture. I mean, I kind of over bleached some areas. I feel like maybe I parted it way too much in the beginning, but it seems like it worked together. Once I like pull some of the side hairs, the black hairs out towards my face, it seems like it gives that little highlight effect in the front. So, and you can wear it like, well, I can wear it more blonde in the front if I want to. So it kind of turned out pretty good. I think it looks good. Comment below what you guys think, if I hit or missed this little challenge of mine on my first time dyeing the hair. And thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you think that I did a good job, and see you guys in my next video.